Moving anti-clockwise around this life cycle, we can see that eggs can take up to 25 days to hatch, and that's really very temperature dependent. Higher temperatures speed that process up, and very low temperatures can slow it down. We can then look at the different instars. There are 5 different instars of bedbug before they hatch into reproductive adults. And at each stage, they must take a blood meal before they can move on to the next stage successfully. And finally, that also counts for the adults. They need to take a blood meal before they can become reproductively active. So those are the important things to remember about the cycle. And we also need to look at bedbug sex. And you can see that going on in the picture to the right-hand side. And here is a male bedbug penetrating the female bedbug by traumatic insemination. And it is traumatic. He's actually using that spiked paramere to puncture directly through the abdomen and inseminate the eggs directly. So a lot of people say that when this happens, it drives the female bedbugs to move far away from the harborage or the location where that traumatic event happened, of course, carrying fertile eggs with her. And there's a suggestion that this is how bedbug infestation can start to spread in a room or after introduction. So let's just look at those important key points. So first of all, the eggs can take up to 25 days to hatch. So when we're doing a bedbug application or a control application, it's important to realize that unless the eggs have all been sprayed, identified, found and sprayed, then we might need to wait some time to make sure that all of the first instars that are hatching out of the eggs have done so and have crossed a barrier. So our recommendation is after an Aprehend application that you would go back after 30 days because before that you may still find some live activity.
When a bedbug crosses an Aprehend barrier, it picks up the spores like you pick up sand on wet feet. The spores germinate and penetrate directly through the cuticle and grow in the blood system, killing the bedbug within 3 to 7 days.
And the other thing is that we're placing barriers between the bedbug and their essential blood meal. So we place the barriers either between the harborage and the blood meal or around the person that is providing that source of blood for the bedbug. So this is the strategy that we're going to be using as we place barriers of Aprehend to control an infestation.